Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to export your finished game in Unity as a .exe file onto your computer. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and comment down below if you have any ideas for videos I could make. But without any further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so I just have this simple scene here. So this would be, you'd have your finished game of course, but if you see, I can play, and it's literally just a person who can move around and jump. Now to export it as a .exe file for your computer, you have to go File, Build Settings. You have to make sure to add all your scenes. Say you have multiple scenes, you have to go onto that scene, open this and click Add Open Scenes. But anyway, you should be automatically built to PC, Mac and Linux standalone. So if you just click Build, you have to select a folder. I'm just going to put it in my, I'll create a new folder. Just call it Export. Select that and it'll start building. Now it may take a minute, but once that's done, you can load it up and you'll see it'll work. So it should automatically open up your file, and if you open up this, wait for it to load, export as exe.exe, our game is here on your computer. So this was a very short tutorial, but I hope it was useful. So if you guys enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and again comment down below if you have any ideas. But I'll see you in the next one.